Great home in a very desirable country club grounds section of the Bronx. This home sits on a large lot and has stone paver driveway with bluestone apron and manicured lawn. Large walk-through garden with trees and flowers all around. Large rear deck off the kitchen is a perfect place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The front foyer walks into a large open floor plan with living room, dining room, hardwood floors, full bath with marble tile floors, stone-top sink, and spa tub. Eat-in kitchen has granite countertops, recessed lighting, and modern appliances, and also connects to the family room. Second level has 3 bedrooms, full bath, and hardwood floors throughout. Plenty of closet space and storage. Lower level, perfect for a mother and daughter setup. Has a summer kitchen, living room, full bath, and bedroom with walk-outside entrance. Central AC and heating, many upgrades and modern designs, close to major highways and public transportation. Call Joseph Costantino of Morris Park Realty at 718-881-1923.